Do you want to know how you can log into your government childcare account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your government childcare account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and search for Government Childcare Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Government of UK. Go ahead, scroll down and click Sign In. Click Start Now, and then it will lead you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Government Childcare. Go ahead and write down your Government Gateway user ID, which is your 12 characters ID, and then write down your password. After that, click Sign In, and then you can successfully sign in to your Government Childcare account. If you are a new user, go ahead and click Create Sign-in Details. And if you are having problems on your Government Gateway ID or your password, these are the two links for you. I hope this video about how you can log into your Government Childcare account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.